Basically, we started with very small drones. It was super fast and nobody could really follow. And so we made it bigger, and then people said it's still too small, and that's why we said, okay, now let's make a really big one where you potentially can also then have manned drone racing at one day. And there it is.
First impressions, I was super stoked how it looked. It looked like a Formula One car in the sky. So that's what I was excited about with the bodywork and just the aesthetics of how it looked.
It's sketching me out big time. It is huge, it is loud, it is intense. The amount of power that this thing has is just like unlike anything I've ever seen, and I've seen some pretty big sketchy flying things, and this is one of the craziest I've ever seen for sure.
Incredible, just incredible.
The goal was basically to make flying available for everybody. And so that whole idea came to life, that people can actually do it first through a game. So you start with the game, and if you get good and get hooked in the game and have really the skills to compete worldwide, then you have the chance to also sit in a cockpit like this one day.